Alright, welcome back. We're back out with the 5 fish. We got the V6S. See, we got it in the water here. We're on top of an underwater ledge. It's pretty steep. It comes up to like 10 feet. All the way around it's like 60 feet. So that we should find some sea creatures. It's pretty hard bottom. So we're going to ride it around and see if we find anything cool. Cool, with the same bottom already? We're 20 feet.
20 feet.
Is the light on? I think you can see better without it. Oh, you can see really good, can't you? Yeah, you can. Sandy. I can't believe how sandy it is. Now, look at this starfish.
Yeah.
See it?
Very stuck to that rock.
Yeah. Patrick! On bikini bottom.
So why are you mad, Patrick? Can't see my board.
I can't see my board. That's another one right there. See it? Bigger one. See it?
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah. Holy, look at that rock.
I'll just tip over on the joint.
That's like balancing there. Oh yeah, there's some big ones stuck
Quite a
on
few,
there.
yeah.
That's a big rock.
Yeah,
Just
that rock
sitting
looks
there.
cool.
It looks like one of those balance rocks on like,
Yeah,
you see on the mountains and stuff.
Yeah.
See it over me, maybe?
It's a pickle, ain't it?
I don't know. I think those are pickles. I don't know. Starfish. There's tons of starfish. Crab. See you?
Pretty good size one, ain't it?
Yeah, he's got a nice little hole. What is this? Sponge?
Yeah, I think so. It looks soft.
Look at that kelp. It's this white thing right here. It's a watch. It's a gold watch.
No, I really thought it was a watch for a second. It's like that. It looks just like the face of a watch, you know, about the logo.
Couldn't tell you. I can't believe there's not a bunch of lobster meat. There's really not much activity, is there?
Not really.
Oh, starfish jackpot right